This is a full body stretching from head to toe. Sit on your mat and start practicing. We would start by squeezing the toes inwards and then opening them outward. और फिर हम अपने पंजों को जितना आगे स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं उतना आगे स्ट्रेच करेंगे और जितना पीछे पुल कर सकते हैं उतना स्ट्रेच पीछे की तरफ करेंगे. Giving nice stretch on the muscles. Now we will be rotating our feet clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Giving nice stretch on your feet muscles. Now we will be lifting our right leg with the support of hands and opening them in front. We would be doing the same process again with another leg. आप legs को support भी कर सकते हैं hands से, but if you want a nice stretch, then do that without support of hands. लेफ़्ट लेग को फोल्ड करते हुए थाई पे रखेंगे और लेफ़्ट हैंड से राइट लेग के टो को होल्ड करेंगे. लेफ़्ट लेग को अप डाउन मूव करेंगे लाइक अ बटरफ्लाई. Feel the stretch on right leg and the pressure on left one. अब फोल्डेड लेग को उठा के चेस्ट से और फ्लोर से टच करने की ट्राई करेंगे. फील दैट नाइस स्ट्रेच ऑन द मसल्स. Now we would be doing the same process again with another leg. This position is also called half butterfly. Try to keep your back straight as much as possible. Feel the nice stretch on the muscles. और फिर फोल्डेड लेग को उठा के वापस फ्लोर से और चेस्ट से टच करने की ट्राई करेंगे. इसके बाद हम फुल बटरफ्लाई करेंगे. पंजों को आपस में जोड़ेंगे और घुटने जितना नीचे हो सकते हैं उतना नीचे करेंगे. Close your eyes and feel the moment. Feel yourself as a butterfly in a garden full of flowers. From here, we would be bending forward in the same position. पंजों को आपस में जुड़ा रहने दें. हाथों को आगे ले जाते हुए let your whole body come down with them. Relaxing in the position and feeling that nice stretch on inner thighs. Now we would be coming back to the original position. You can do it for longer duration if you want. Now we would be doing the hip joint movement. Place your legs like a baby in your arms and move them. We would be doing the same process again with another leg. This is a very good exercise for opening hip joints. यहाँ से हम पैरों को आगे खोलते हुए टोज़ को होल्ड करेंगे. Trying to keep our back straight as much as possible. Alright, now we will be rotating our spine inwards and outward. Feel the nice and intense stretch on stomach muscle Coming to shoulder movement, place your hand on shoulder by bending them from elbow and rotating them clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. Feeling the pressure on your shoulders. अब हम हाथों को सामने की तरफ खोलेंगे। एक्सरसाइज करते टाइम हम कुछ मसल्स पे बहुत ध्यान देते हैं, वहीं कुछ मसल्स पे हमारा ध्यान बिल्कुल नहीं जाता है। बट ईच पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी नीड सेपरेट अटेंशन। Now we would be doing wrist movement. Clockwise and then anti-clockwise, giving nice stretch on wrist joints and muscles. We would be focusing on shoulder again and rotating our shoulder clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. Focusing on the movements. Coming to neck portion, we would be giving nice stretch on our neck. Keep the neck straight and try to touch the ears on your shoulders. Feeling that nice stretch in your neck muscles. Now we would be doing the same in front and back. Feeling the stretch on neck muscles. Now we would be rotating our neck from right to left, giving nice stretch on your neck muscles. Now rotating in opposite direction and feeling the stretch on neck muscles and relaxing. Now place the one hand on your shoulder and one above ears, giving nice stretch on right side of your neck and doing the same process again on another side. Now give yourself some time in the position to relax. Rub your hands together, make them warm and place them on your face. Don't forget to smile.